Hello everyone, I'm Novita and I want to present about phonetics and phonology, the study of linguistic sounds. And if you want to know more about me, you can visit my link in this Facebook or my Instagram. Okay, let's start it. My presentation will be consist of phonetics, types of phonetics, components of phonetics, phonology, kind of phonology, segmental and suprasegmental, and the last is vowel and consonant. Okay, let's start from phonetics. What is phonetics? Phonetics is the general study of the characteristics of speech sounds. And then types of phonetics. There are three types. The first is how they are produced by organs of speech, their physical properties, and the last is how sounds are received and identified. The components of phonetics. There are three components. The first is identifying the place of the articulation in the vocal thread, mouth, and nose. The second is identifying the manner of articulation, including how air is channeled and stopped during speech sounds. And the last is identifying which speech sounds are used in any given language. Okay, we move to phonology. Phonology is the study of how sounds are organized and used in natural language. Kind of phonology. There are two kinds. The first is segmental. It is analyzes speech into discrete segments, such as phoneme. And what is phoneme? Phoneme is the smallest sound unit in a language that is capable of conveying a distinct meaning, such as the S of sing and the P of play. It analyzes the feature which extend over more than one segment, such as intonation. Yes, I will show you about the phonology. Phonology is divided into two parts, segmental and suprasegmental. And then in the segmental, there are vowels and consonants. And then in the suprasegmental, there are pitch, stress, and juncture. Vowels. Vowels is a speech sound made by the vocal cord. It also a type of letter in the alphabet. Type of vowels. There are two types. The first is long vowels. If a word with a certain vowel in it says the name of the vowel, then that vowel is making a long vowel sound. Let's see in the example. The word U is a long vowel word because there is a long U sound. And then short vowels is a vowel sound that does not follow the rule. When reading a word that uses a short vowel sound, we'll say in the sound that the letter can make that is not actual name. The example is the word bug is a short vowel word because there is no long U sound. And then consonants. Consonants is a speech sound that is not a vowel. It also refers to letters of the alphabet that represent two sounds. Z, B, T, G, and H are the sample of consonants. Okay, we move to suprasegmental. There are three basic of suprasegmental. The first is pitch. The pitch of a sound is determined by the rate of vibration or frequency of the sound wave. And then stress, the degree of emphasis given a sound or syllable in speech. And the last is juncture. Oh, I'm sorry. Stress is also called lexical stress or word stress. And the last is juncture, the manner of moving or transition of relationship between two consecutive sounds. Okay, in the last, I want to show you about the differentiation between phonetics and phonology. We can see that phonetic is the study of human speech sounds, but phonology is the study of how sounds are organized and used in natural language. And then phonetics study which sounds are present in a language, but the phonological system of a language includes an inventory of sounds and their features and pragmatic rules which specify how sounds interact with each other. Okay, thank you for your attention and see you in my next videos.